Hello everybody, welcome back to another airport update. Today we have Colorado Springs Airport. Just a couple news before we start. This airport will eventually get replaced by DCA. If you don't follow my Instagram, go ahead and follow it. It's MileHigh_Aviation. I did a couple polls on there and DCA wins. So that airport will be coming in the future, estimated about May. Also we have a bunch of diversions in this airport because recently there was a big snowstorm in Denver, and we also have some accessories kind of, and we also you'll just see it. So starting off with this Delta ERJ-170, this aircraft is just getting ready to go full power out to Salt Lake City. Next, taxiing from the runway, we have a American 737-800. This aircraft is in the Air Cal Retro livery and is just arriving in from Dallas-Fort Worth. Starting off the back side of the terminal, we have a Delta A321. This aircraft was doing Atlanta to Denver and got diverted out to Colorado Springs. So after this, we'll be heading back to Atlanta. Here we have a Delta CRJ-700. This aircraft just arrived in from Salt Lake City. Here we have a American Airbus A319. This aircraft is just getting last passengers on, and it'll be heading out to Phoenix, Arizona. Right here we have a Frontier A321. This aircraft just arrived in from Las Vegas. Then we have a Frontier A320neo. This aircraft is getting final passengers, fuel, all serviced up, catering for nonstop service out to Phoenix. Here we have a United 737-800. This aircraft is in the new livery and will be heading out to Denver. Then we have a United Express CRJ-200. This aircraft just pulled in from Chicago ORD. All the way at the end there we have a United Express ERJ-145. This aircraft just arrived in from Houston IAH. Pushing back out of the gate, we have a United Express ERJ-175. This aircraft is in the new livery, and if you do not have this model yet, I highly recommend you get it. It's a awesome model. The wings are a bit high, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. The other good model is the United A319. That's also a good model, so I highly recommend you get both of those. But anyway, this aircraft is just pushing back for nonstop service out to Los Angeles. And here we have a Spirit A320. Spirit does not fly to Colorado Springs if you guys are new to the channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button and turn the notification bell to all so you get all post notifications. But the Spirit was going from a flight from Fort Lauderdale to Denver, but due to visibility, winds, it got diverted out to Colorado Springs. This aircraft will be heading back out to Denver here shortly. It's just getting de-iced, and yeah. Then we have the Southwest 737-700. This is in the Tennessee 1 livery. This is a new model. I also highly recommend you get that. But this flight was going from Baltimore to Denver, and due to storms, obviously, it got diverted to here. So this aircraft will be heading out to Denver in about 30 minutes after getting de-iced and all ready to go. Last but not least, we have a FedEx 757. This aircraft is just getting final cargo on for nonstop service out to Reno Tahoe Airport. Once again, I'd like to thank all of you for joining or tuning into this video. The next video, I think, is a requested airport, which I might start doing this series as Aviation 18 does, like building his new airport. I might do that for, DCA. I'm not quite sure how it's going to be all planned out. I might just do another requested airport, which I know you guys don't want to see. Please don't yell at me. But I'll try to get a video out on Friday. Also, I just posted a trip report last Wednesday. It was a United ERJ-145. That was from Durango to Denver. I highly recommend you go check that out. That was a very good video that I edited. And it was also a really cool landing. I'm not going to spoil it, and please nobody spoil it in the comments, but I highly recommend you go check it out because the landing was absolutely phenomenal. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.